at a stoplight. It's shaking, jumping at the car, but I think I know what to do. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. So this is what I got, some Lucas lubricant, upper cylinder lubricant and injector cleaner. I'm gonna add half the bottle. I'm at the gas station, I'm gonna add half the bottle and then top off the rest of the tank. We'll see how that goes. It says an overtreat will not be harmful. I'm gonna add, it's been a while, so I'm gonna add a lot. Let's see if this works. That goes in. Appears to be going in. Then we top it off. Fill it all the way up. I think this next step is where it's at and where we can fix the problem. Now for the AC off, for the air conditioner off, this and car and park, this should be closer to the 1, but right now it's below 50%. We need to get it up to 1,000 RPM to be a healthy parked and idle, because right now it's pretty low. And so the way to tweak that, to increase that, we want to get it to right at the 951 range for a healthy idle, and it'll also help it stop from dying or bumping at the stop signs. So to do that, this is the throttle body. I've already cleaned it and I've already replaced the idle air control valve. Those are good first starts. I put the links in the description if you want to see how to do those. So after cleaning that and replacing the idle air control valve, if those don't work, then I recommend doing this step to help get that parked RPM up to that 1. And to do that, we adjust this little set screw right there. I don't know if you can see that. That little set screw under this, the throttle body actuator here. If we raise this a little bit, it'll give it a higher starting position and it'll be less hard to pull it to get those RPMs up. So I'm going to loosen this a little bit and raise it out of there so that we start a little bit higher and hopefully tweak it until the RPMs stick around that 1,000 RPM range. RPM range. Jeez. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Take this off. This one just pops out. Pop out. Okay, so those two are out. So you undo this, you pull this off. Unplug this. Unplug this. I need the, God, that's hot. I need a flathead to pop this out. 10mm sockets on these 4 bolts to take out the valve body. Okay, with those 4 mounting bolts removed and those 2 arms we removed at the very start, you can now pull it out. Now we got a clear look at that screw I was talking about. So there's the screw that we're going to loosen out and try and make it a little bit taller. Alright, so once you turn it upside down, you can see that there's a little Allen wrench port here. So I have an Allen wrench. Where's the camera? Whatever. It's one of the small Allen wrenches. I don't know exactly what size, but Allen wrench should do it. And I may need to spray this with some lubricant to help loosen it up. Alright, so let's see. There we go, it's turning. I'm going to go ahead and wedge the needle nose pliers right there. And then use the Allen wrench. Leave this open and open it a little bit. Turn it clockwise. There we go. Problem is, this is something you have to adjust. So I only want to go a little bit at a time, but let's see how the RPMs come up now that I've turned it about half to a full turn. Gosh. Right. So I put this guy back on, this guy back on, the 4 bolts and the two plugs back on, and just need to tighten that set screw, tighten this to hold, make sure this doesn't come flying off, which I doubt, and let's see how it does with this being a little higher. Oh, ho, ho, baby. Oh, that is way too high. I need to back that pup down, huh, guys? All right, come on back down. Come on back down. We got carried away, didn't we? Let's see what half rotation does. Perfect. Oh, God. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. Stay up. Alright, I'm gonna drive it around at this. This looks good enough to me, guys. Let's see how she does at stop signs. Alright, coming up to a stop. Let's see how she does. It's still down to 500. I feel like this solved it. It's worth a shot. If you're having a rough idle, give that a shot. Alright, I gotta go. No rough idle, guys. Whew! Piece of cake. Perfect. It's in park and it's going the 100. Now I'd recommend doing it by quarter turn whenever you're trying to mess with that set screw, and good luck out there. Think we got it, guys. Zoom in for dramatic effect.